Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay. And today, we are now going to repair the FJS M4A1. And I will show you the problem of this one. It's scary. It's the most scariest sound if you can hear it from a gel blaster. Connected? Oh, it's closer here. If you hear that, stop. Do not do it again. Open it up. One of the common issues of that happening is that because of this one, the motor height, this is a good unit, so it has an adjustment, but I already tried that one and it did not work, so I have no choice but to open this one. And oops, I'll get back to the one and that one. I will first remove the grip. Transition. Okay, so after opening, I found out the issue. I think the motor height went down, which caused the motor pinion to disengage, not mesh properly with the bevel gear. So see, it is damaged. So we need to replace that one. That is confirmed already. Another checking is also is if you're going, oops, check the gears. Let's try to zoom in. Zoom in there. There, zoom, and try to move the bevel gears in one direction. If it can still move, that's a good sign. It means it's not clogged. So, and the ARL is still working, so that's another good sign. I think what I'm going to do for now is try to attach again the grip and try a different motor, just to ensure that the problem is only the motor. Okay, be right back. Okay, so now it's connected. This is the old motor. I put a different motor. And then, of course, fuse. Just in case I made a mistake, the fuse will blow and not the unit. Now let's try. And firing. Ooh. So let's adjust. Dirty. Ooh, did it blow? Nope. Let's go down. Not enough. Still will not contact. It means there are other problems. Now I have to open this one. Be right back. And finally open it up. Oh, and for clarifications, it is a split metal gearbox. That's why it's really heavy. So it's really an FJS M4. And I know the problem. Ta-da! Yeah. Strip it. Ow. Let's see. Hello. Zoom, zoom. Can you see it? This happens when it gets stuck and slowly getting contact, lost contact. Oh, there finally. See, it is stripped. That's why it's not. Here it looks normal, but if you tilt, see, sadness. This is gone. Need to replace this one. And look at this. The shimming was so bad that actually, what so bad? There was no shimming. See, it damaged the gearbox because it's moving. There was lots of play. It's moving left to right. So what happened is that since there was play, it scratched, spinning like that. See, this has been sharpened. So I need to reshim this. And again, wow, is that a gel ball? It is a gel ball. Is it a gel ball? I don't know. It's just a solid grease. Okay. I need to reshim this one. Reshim and change gears. Since I cannot usually buy this one, I'll be replacing it on a whole set. And there's a gear set, that the metal gear set that comes with a pinion. And I will do that off screen. Be right back. Okay, after several minutes of shimming, or proper shimming, it's now working. It's a new gears. There's not much play now. Even here, no more play. Oh, it's really tight. So it's really nice. Nice movement. The aerial of this unit is really tight. So as you can see, spinning it has some tension to it. But if you hold the ARL down, you can easily spin it. See? Ooh. So it means that the shimming is proper. And this uses bearings. I don't like it, but this is it. Anywho, now I'm going to assemble. What fell? Something fell. Now I'm going to assemble this one. Be right back. Okay, after finally assembling, it's now connected. It's new gears, same gearbox, same everything, except for the gears. Now, stock, battery, then semi. Full auto. It's done. It hurts the hand, see? Oh. Anywho, that's more or less it. I'm going to assemble this one and then we'll do a shooting test later. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!